Want to quickly remove the background from any image using GIMP? In this video, I will guide you step by step to get a clean, transparent background and even show you how to edit and scale your image like a pro. Let's get started. Select the picture to remove the background from. Open it in GIMP. From the menu, click Layer. Select New Layer. Ensure the option Fill With is set to Transparency. Click OK. From the menu, click Image. Choose Merge Visible Layers. Click Merge. Now, from your tools available on the left, choose Bucket Fill and in the Tools option window, ensure Mode is set to Erase, Opacity is set to 100%, BG Color Fill is selected. Fill similar colors in affected area. Now click on your picture background and remove all the background parts from the picture. Now select Edit and copy it. Now you can use that image. If I select Edit from the menu, choose Paste as a new layer, we have successfully removed the picture background quickly. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.